In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter just one column in your Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're trying to apply a filter to just one column on your data, here's how you're going to do it. Now I have my example data right here where we have the student name, the first quarter grades, and the second quarter grades. Now what I want to do is to actually just apply a filter to my middle column right here, which is my first quarter. And to do that, what I'm going to do is to select that column first. Now usually when you want to apply a filter to a column, what you're going to do is to tap on that column, then go to the ellipsis at the top right corner and select Create a Filter. With those steps, we were able to apply a filter to all of our columns. Now that's not what I want to do. What I want to do is to just apply it to one column and not all the columns. So let's undo that. There we have it. And this time what I'm going to do is to just select the entire column where I want that filter applied. And I'm going to do that by just selecting that column again. So that's my first quarter column or my B column right here. I'm going to tap on the B at the top. There we go. And now I have selected that entire column. Then I can just go ahead and go to the next step, which is to tap on the ellipsis at the top right corner and select Create a Filter. And here we have it. So with that, we were only able to apply a filter to one of our columns in our entire data. Now I can just filter my data right here. So I'm going to tap on that filter icon and filter this by just clearing out everything and selecting one grade that I want to appear. And there we have it. So I've successfully filtered all of my data, only showing the grade of 88 from the first quarter right there. And that's how you can filter just one column here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I have a full playlist that I'll be linking to with a card at the top right corner for you to click. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.